Welcome to our video on Top 10 Unexpected Consequences of the Renewable Energy Boom. As the world increasingly shifts towards sustainable energy sources, we often celebrate the benefits without considering the hidden challenges that accompany this transition. From land use conflicts to shifts in local economies, the rapid growth in renewables carries a complex array of consequences that can impact wildlife, grid stability, and even public perception. Join us as we explore these unexpected ramifications and their significance in shaping a greener future. 1. Rising land use conflict. As the demand for renewable energy sources like solar and wind power grows, so does the need for land to accommodate these installations. Large solar farms require vast tracts of land, often leading to conflicts with agricultural interests and local communities. In some regions, valuable farmland is being converted to solar fields, sparking debates over land use priorities. Wind farms, on the other hand, are often located in rural areas, which can lead to disputes over visual and noise pollution. The quest for sustainable energy sometimes pits environmental goals against local land use concerns. As more countries commit to renewable energy, finding a balance between land conservation and energy development becomes increasingly challenging. 2. Impact on wildlife. While renewable energy aims to reduce carbon emissions, it can inadvertently harm wildlife. Wind turbines, for instance, pose a threat to birds and bats, sometimes leading to significant mortality rates. Solar panels, too, can disrupt local ecosystems by altering habitats. The glare from solar panels is known to confuse birds, causing them to collide with the installations. Additionally, the construction of renewable energy facilities can disturb the habitats of various species, leading to displacement. These unintended consequences highlight the need for careful planning and mitigation strategies to protect wildlife while pursuing clean energy goals. 3. Shifts in local economies. The renewable energy boom is reshaping local economies in unexpected ways. Communities once reliant on fossil fuel industries are experiencing a shift as renewable energy projects create new jobs. However, this transition isn't always smooth. The skills required for renewable energy jobs often differ from those in traditional energy sectors, necessitating retraining programs. Additionally, regions that heavily depended on coal or oil may face economic downturns as these industries decline. The renewable energy revolution demands a careful approach to ensure economic stability and workforce readiness in affected areas. 4. Grid stability challenges. Integrating renewable energy into existing power grids presents unique challenges. Unlike fossil fuels, renewable sources like wind and solar are intermittent, leading to fluctuations in energy supply. This variability can strain power grids, causing stability issues and potential blackouts. The need to balance supply and demand becomes more complex as the share of renewables in the energy mix increases. Energy storage solutions, such as batteries, are being developed to address these challenges, but they come with their own set of hurdles. Ensuring grid reliability in a renewable-dominated energy landscape remains a pressing concern. 5. Resource scarcity for technology. The production of renewable energy technologies relies on specific materials, some of which are scarce or difficult to obtain. Rare earth elements, essential for wind turbines and solar panels, are limited in supply and concentrated in certain regions. This scarcity can lead to geopolitical tensions and supply chain vulnerabilities. As the demand for renewable technologies grows, so does the pressure on these critical resources. Finding sustainable alternatives or recycling existing materials becomes crucial to avoid bottlenecks and ensure the continued growth of renewable energy. 6. Environmental concerns in manufacturing. While renewable energy is cleaner in operation, the manufacturing processes for wind turbines and solar panels can have environmental impacts. The extraction and processing of raw materials often result in pollution and habitat destruction. Moreover, the production of these technologies involves significant energy consumption, sometimes offsetting the environmental benefits they provide. Addressing the environmental footprint of renewable energy manufacturing is essential to ensure that the transition to clean energy is genuinely sustainable. Innovations in manufacturing practices and materials can help mitigate these concerns. 7. Changes in energy prices. The shift towards renewable energy is influencing energy prices in complex ways. Initially, the transition can lead to increased costs as infrastructure investments are made. However, over time, the cost of renewable energy sources tends to decrease, making them more competitive with traditional energy. In some regions, this has resulted in lower electricity prices and increased energy affordability. Yet, the variability of renewable energy supply can also lead to price fluctuations, creating uncertainty for consumers. Understanding the long-term economic implications of the renewable energy boom is crucial for both policymakers and consumers. 8. Socio-political dynamics. The renewable energy boom is altering socio-political landscapes worldwide. Countries rich in fossil fuels are reevaluating their energy strategies, while those with abundant renewable resources are gaining geopolitical influence. The global shift towards clean energy is fostering new alliances and rivalries as nations compete for technological leadership. Moreover, the transition to renewables is sparking debates over energy independence and security. As the world navigates this energy transformation, the socio-political dynamics continue to evolve in unexpected ways. 9. Waste and recycling challenges. As renewable energy technologies reach the end of their lifespan, managing waste and recycling becomes a significant issue. Wind turbine blades and solar panels are difficult to recycle due to their complex materials and construction. Without proper recycling solutions, these components risk ending up in landfills, posing environmental hazards. Developing efficient recycling processes and promoting circular economy principles are critical to addressing the waste challenges associated with renewable energy. As the industry matures, innovative solutions are needed to ensure sustainable waste management. 10. Public perception and acceptance. Public perception plays a pivotal role in the adoption of renewable energy. While many people support the shift towards clean energy, others express concerns over the visual and environmental impacts of projects. Local opposition to wind farms and solar installations can delay or halt projects, affecting the pace of the renewable transition. Engaging communities and addressing their concerns is essential for gaining public acceptance. Transparent communication and community involvement can help foster support for renewable energy initiatives. As the industry grows, navigating public perception remains a key challenge.